Trying to type with one thumb on your iPhone 17? The default iOS keyboard offers a left or right-leaning option. This feature works in apps like Messages, Notes, Mail, and more, and you can switch layouts anytime based on your typing preference. Let's walk through how to enable the one-handed keyboard on the iPhone 17 series. For this example, open the Messages app to get started. Once Messages is open, either start a new conversation or open an existing message thread so the keyboard appears on the screen. Now look at the bottom of the keyboard and touch and hold the emoji icon or the globe icon, depending on how many keyboards you have installed. If you're using multiple languages or keyboards, you'll see the globe icon instead. A pop-up menu will appear showing 3 keyboard layouts: the standard full keyboard, a left-aligned keyboard, and a right-aligned keyboard. If you usually type with your left hand, tap the left keyboard layout. If you prefer typing with your right hand, choose the right keyboard layout instead. As soon as you tap your choice, the keyboard will shift to that side of the screen, making it much easier to type with one thumb. If you ever want to return to the full-size keyboard, simply tap the small arrow on the opposite side of the keyboard, and it will snap back to normal keyboard layout. Keep in mind that the one-handed keyboard only works in portrait mode, and it won't be available if your display is set to larger text under the display and brightness settings. And that's it. If this video helped you type more comfortably on your iPhone 17, give it a like and check out our other videos to discover more useful features you can use every day. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.